It's a grim dark future. Technology has been long forgotten. And no one knows how to do some fucking maintenance to the guns. This was just what we got out of the fucking tiny small fucking shortest ever barrel of a Firehawk. What the fuck? Oh boy. Look here. I show you trick. You can just get rid of gearbox tension by releasing the anti-reversal latch. Great, isn't it? So what I was expecting was just the usual Firehawk, just some issues. I tested this before. The sound was okay, but there was no air coming out of the piston head. The nozzle. So the piston head was not compressing, I guess. And yeah, so far it looks like there's nothing changed. But here, this little motherfucker tells me the piston head may not be in place anymore. So let's check. I will just give you a little subtitles now, cause my CEO noticed.
Was soll das denn? Alter!
Oh nein, meine Firehawk ist kaputt.
Alter!
Ich weiß nicht, was los ist.
Sie läuft gar nicht. Ne?
Sie feedet nicht. Guck mal hier, das da. Das habe ich aus dem Lauf gepult.
Ja.
Fast nichts.
Aber das hat ja nichts damit zu tun, dass er nicht fiedet.
Ich habe eine halbe Tonne Bremsenreiniger durch den Lauf gekippt. Doch, er meinte, das Nozzle ist bestimmt zu lang. Ich habe so eine krasse Max-Kopie reingebaut. Von Kublai. Ja, ja. Oh. Oh! Das ist beeindruckend. Guck mal. Der Pistonhead ist falsch rum. Der hat sich komplett gedreht in der Waffe. Wie krass ist das denn?
Geht das?
Ja, muss ja. Ich hab's ja so da rausgeholt. Guck dir das an. Genau.
Hat er vielleicht einfach nur dumm eingebaut?
Das kann doch gehen.
Nein, das ist nicht möglich.
Das ist nicht möglich.
Das muss irgendwie gehen.
Aber
Der war so da drin.
Das ist ja fast luftig abgeschlossen.
Es muss sich irgendwie gedreht haben. Es gibt keine Erklärung dafür. Es muss in dem Zylinder... Doch, das geht. Du kannst das Ding drehen im Zylinder. Ja, ja.
Ranger, gib den mal zum Johannes.
Johannes.
Das ist ja krass. Das habe ich echt noch nie gesehen. Hammer. Ja. Loctite, ne? Hätte man da ja drauf machen können. Glad we talked about that. I've never before seen a piston head that completely turned. Pretty crazy. I've seen a lot of piston heads going off and yeah, scratching themselves on the screw. Naja, gut, Mittagspause. Okay, let's fix this thing. First of all, we're gonna do a little magic trick with the teeth of the thing. The piston is actually quite okay. G&G Firehawk piston, it's fine. It's not the best one I've ever seen, but it will work if we lighten it up a little bit. The screw, yeah, maybe. Can you see this? Yeah. Maybe we should yeah. We're gonna change it. So, I'm gonna search for a new one and we will apply a tremendous amount of Loctite. So, this one's looking good, this one is gonna go trashed. Well, what next? Next. Yeah, okay, this is still in there. Where's the Loctite? There it is. This is the most brutal Loctite I could find. It's like glue. And yeah, actually you could just super glue it, but super glue tends to break. So Loctite got a little bit more flexibility. Someone just cut off these from the little plastic whatsoever which fixes the piston head on the G&G piston, and so the crazy aluminium upgrade piston head, well, yeah, was able to wobble around, and this killed it, I guess. Possibly not. I just tried this gun one game day. I used it for like, I don't know, 5,000 BB, something like this, with an 11.1 battery, with a tremendous rate of fire, and worked quite fine. So I guess we will get lucky and the piston head will stay on there. So this is actually quite good air seal. The nozzle will probably be a reason for a little less air seal, but this gun is built for Germany, so we can only have 0.5 joules here. This is around, let me just, 70 meters per second, and what this in retarded units? I'm not sure. 320 or 360 FPS? Something like that. It's not too much, but it hurts. And yeah, actually to build a stable system with low power, it's quite okay to have a little bit of air leak somewhere to give the system a little bit of tension. Okay, I'm gonna put this together very quick and test fire it, and you may see it fires quite fast and it stays stable, and I like it. By the way, this fucking Firehawk just fires full auto. It's ridiculous and stupid, and I don't like it.
Ja gut, aber dann
7.4 volt. Next up we're gonna try 11.1. 11.1 should kinda rocket it. It's a normal standard triple stick battery. Okay, possibly we do not need semi-auto. I just put this thing together now. Then I fix the hop. This frickin' Kublai max copy chamber thing plus tracer LEDs. Yeah, I have to use a drill bit to make the nozzle move freely in this crazy chamber, and then yeah, it works. So yes, I'm gonna fast forward this shit, cause it's quite ridiculous to get the cables from the LED bullshit to the front, and yeah, this is all kinda annoying. Oh, fun fact, the rail system on the Firehawk is actually fixed with 2 goddamn screws. One up there and one down there, and this is it. Fucking terrible. Well, it's plastic anyway.